Those are your ninja stars?
What is that?
Hiya!
Volleyball. What is water?
So let's see. You got 4 more months before you're 2 years old. And everyone says you look like a 2-year-old already. But the little baby still needs his pacifier. Come here, you. I'm gonna take that away. Give me that. Oh, you don't need that. No. You don't need a pacifier. You don't need it. You're a big baby. What are your diapers doing out here? The ball? We can't hear you speak if you got this in your mouth. The ball? Ball? Where'd the ball go? Where'd it go? Where is it? It's over there. It's over there. Keep looking. There's a ball. Careful. All right. Ball. Mmm. Don't talk with your mouth full. You're a goof. Mmm. Is that good? So you didn't like most of it. What's that? You find the most random stuff, kiddo. That is a soccer ball. This kid's all over the place. Oh, is that basketball? You can go shoot it? Go shoot it. Go, 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 go. Go shoot it. Oh. You gonna go get the soccer ball? Yay! Good job. All right. What? Where's your duck? I see a duck. Where's the duck at? What's that behind you? Is that a duck? Right there. A duck! Good job. Duck. Did Mama see the duck? Thank you. Quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. Where'd the ball go? Good job. Ow. Shoot it. Or, you know, take your time. Go through the hole. That's the wrong way. Where are you going? You have a lot of obstacles in your room, kiddo. It's a duck. You knocked the dock in there.
Super.
That's all he knows. Ball.